everybody, we're headed back to Port Orleans Riverside, and this time we're staying in a preferred room in Alligator Bayou. It's a good thing Disney does mosquito control, because normally I would be freaking out here. If you've seen our room tour of the royal guest rooms here at Port Orleans Riverside, you'll know that that part of the resort is designed to look like old Southern manners. And this part of the resort is supposed to be like backwoods cottages. Here we are, 27. The buildings are beautiful. Yep, definitely more rustic, but two nice standard size queen beds, and the headboard is tufted. Oh, and there are crowns. Cute little light fixtures. What else do we have here? Oh, okay, so this is supposed to be like a shipping crate, I think. That's fun. Willie Ink. That's a nod to Steamboat Willie. That's cute. And here's your Murphy bed. Oh, there's Louie and Tiana and Naveen. TV. A shelf with some hooks for, I don't know, keys. And down here you have your USB ports and outlets. That's a pretty scene. That's actually really beautiful. I love that artwork. Let's check out the curtain that separates the bathroom area. Gotta be a... There we are. I knew there had to be a Princess and the Frog nod somewhere. Very pretty, wistful. I like that. Oh, nice little rustic sink, double sink with washboard. And oh, check out this bathroom. Definitely rustic. Aw, there's Ray. Aw, look. That's really cute. It's all supposed to look like wooden walls, like you're in a cabin. H2O products, your shelf. Your coffee station is out here. Look at the cattails, that's really cute. Wrought iron handle, there's your fridge. Just regular fridge. Thermostat. 1971, nod to the opening of Walt Disney World. I really love this washboard thing by the sinks. This is really cute. Well, there you have it. A Princess and the Frog themed room at one of our favorite resorts.